Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Ida. Okay fam, when we left off, we had finished cutting out the letters on the Cricut Joy, and now I am getting ready to do the Glam Snow Lady. So stay tuned. So fam, when we left off, we had just finished printing out the decal for our Glam woman or the girl. So now what I'm doing is I'm just making sure that all the space is available that is needed, and then we're going to start with the drawing process. So we're going to draw her eyebrows, her eyes, her nose, and her mouth. And after we do that, we're going to come back and we're going to start painting it. I tried to make her eyes as realistic as possible. So down in the comment area, please let me know what you think about that. Fam and guests, if you like what you're seeing so far, please take this opportunity to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you will never miss an upload from us. Once I finish painting her face, I'm going to go on to put the bling all around the borders of her. We can't have a glam girl without some bling. while we wait for her face to dry, we're going to go ahead and we're going to bling out the brim of her hat. So once again, bling bling. The first coat of her makeup or her face is dry, so now we're going to go in with the second coat and build that what we have, that foundation that we have. We're going to build it up. So now the second coat is on, and we're going to, while that dry, we're going to put the brim of her hat on. Now guys, I think a diva will wear her hat cocked to the side. So you're going to see her brim is going to be at an angle, and that's going to represent her brim being, you know, cocked to the side like, you know, a diva will have hers. But she is a diva, right? We're going to now move on to the top part of her hat. And we're going to put some Dollar Tree bling on hers. And guys, let me tell you, this bling gave me some problems. So I don't know if it was because I had mine for a while, or if it's just that hard to put on. But just be warned, it is pretty, but it's going to take some time and some patience to get it on right. Bam, isn't this turning out beautiful? And yes, so if you like this, please don't forget, as I said, to hit the like button. Also guys, if you're new here for the first time, please go down in the comments and leave me a purple heart so we can leave you some love. Once I finally get the top part of her hat done, I'm going to go back into her face and I'm going to redefine all the outline of her face. So I'm going to go back in with my black Sharpie, and I'm going to make sure that everything is prominent in her face. Oh, I almost forgot. You can't have a diva without a beauty mark. So I gave her a beauty mark, as you can see, on the upper left of her lip, and I did it with the black Sharpie, but I was like, she needs a bling beauty mark. So you'll see at the end where she actually has a bling bling as her beauty mark. I'm also going to go back in with some more glitter, and I'm going to put some more over top of her eyes and some on her lips. A little glitter never hurt anyone. So you know, a bling bling girl and a diva and a glam girl, she got to have her sparkle sparkle. So we put her some glitter on her eyes and her lips. Now our diva is all decked out, right? And most of the time when you're a diva and you're getting ready to strut your stuff, you put on them lashes. So she can't go without her lashes too. So we're going to put her on some real lashes, girls. Yes, I said some real lashes. And we're going to use some tacky glue to put it on. Now ladies, don't go home and use tacky glue on your eye. So we're in the home stretch. We're now using our letters that we printed out with our Cricut Joy in our live. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and look at your live video, and then you can come back and watch this one again. But I would advise you not to do like I did and leave your transfer paper on overnight, because it will get hard to take the vinyl off of it, especially if your transfer paper is new. So after we finally get everything on, we'll come back and we'll show you the finished products. Now guys, I really hope you enjoyed our glam, really enjoyed our glam girl. And if you did, you know, give her a big thumbs up, leave her a comment down in the comment section, and tell her how foxy fly she really is. Enjoyed this DIY. So if you did, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this guys, I truly mean it. Oh guys, and our name has not changed. It's still going to be Design on the Dollar. That's what God gave me. That's what y'all like, and so that's what it's going to be. Design on the Dollar.